See guys, this is Dubai frame, and we came here not to visit frame. I'm just showing you the Dubai frame. We came to the Holi Mela. It's an advanced Holi celebration in the park beside this Dubai frame. Park name is Zabil Park. So stay tuned. And now we're going to enter the park, and then we're gonna celebrate advanced Holi. So guys, we got the entry bands, or you can say it's access to the event area, and now we're just going towards the area they designated for Holi Mela. And you can see this the park, Zabil Park, is a very big park, you can see. And that's Ritu right there, and that's the entrance we came from, and that's Dubai frame on the other side. And let's see how's the arrangements are. I hope it's really interesting, so keep watching, and I'll keep you posted. So guys, we just came to the event area. Holi hai. Wish you a very happy Holi in advance. And you can see the DJ stage over there, and so many different stalls for colors, for foods, and for so many other items. So right now it's stopped because of the prayer, and I think it will resume 1 o'clock again. Guys, you'll see so many food stalls here, and you can see popcorns and so many other stuff, color guns, tea, coffee, and some beautiful colorful peoples around here. And you can see so many stalls here, and just atmosphere is getting hot because the DJs are getting ready. So soon you're gonna see full entertaining Holi entertainment here.
beautiful Ghana. What do you say, guys? Let's do some Urvashi. Let's do some Humma. What do you say? Let's do some Humma. Whoa! Urvashi, Urvashi, take it easy, Urvashi. Urvashi, Urvashi, take it easy, Urvashi. Jesse, really go, nahi chahiye pharmacy. Theek tha, waqt hai, take it easy, pharmacy. Yaar dil ki chandni.
So guys, I hope you find this video very interesting. So please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel ARS, the Vlog Diaries, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And finally, thank you very much for watching till the end. We will be uploading more interesting videos on regular intervals. So keep your love coming, keep loving, keep sharing, keep traveling.